Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. So today's video will be Dollar Tree. So yes, I went to Dollar Tree. By the way, I'm in a different outfit because when I go to town, do my errands, I was in town literally, you guys, all day today, like literally all day. And so I wanted to just I always wash my clothes when I come home from being out in town. So yeah, so I put on a new outfit and yes, so that's why if you, like I said, you see the thumbnail, I'm wearing something different. I did go to tonight, but this is just, you know, a new, brand new outfit. So, but yeah, like I said, I went to the Dollar Tree, and because I wanted to see what they have for fall stuff, you know, because I love fall and Christmas stuff. And so I found quite a bit of things. So let me go ahead and get started with this video. Also, if you're new to my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for being here and clicking on this channel and hanging out with me. I appreciate you guys so very much. And yeah, and for my returning family, you guys, thank you so much. And thank you for all the love and feedback about that blue dress I bought yesterday at Goodwill. I'm still so in love with it. So yes. All right. So let's go ahead and get into this Dollar Tree haul. All right. So the first thing I got today, or I went this evening, so I picked up more of these rugs. So I thought these were so cool. This like marble looking, granite kind of looking rug. It's very different looking. And like I said, I use these for different parts of my house. But I do want to say that these are very slippery. I learned my lesson. I fell. I learned the hard way, but these are super slippery, you guys. So they're just, where I'm going to put them, I'm going to be very careful, like where I put them and stuff like that. But like I literally, it just like slid like right from under me and I hurt myself really bad like over a week ago. So I just want to let you know these are super slippery on the back. So yeah. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to use these for certain areas in my garage. I put them in. So, but I ended up buying 3 of the same pattern because I thought they're so pretty. So I bought the 3, just the 3, so they all match. So back up a little bit. All right, so that's the first thing I bought. Okay, get those out of the way. Then the next thing, here's the next bag. So I bought these cheese nips. I really like these. I bought them on my last haul to Dollar Tree and almost done with the box. So figured I'd pick up another box and I just really like them. They're just a little snack, you know, for me, and I really like them. You can see this sticking out. I did pick up, actually bought 2 cat toys, but when I got home, my daughter wanted to play with one of them with our cats. The other one, my cat was like wanting to play with it, so one of our cats was playing with it, but this is the other one. So like I said, I bought 2 tonight, and look at how cute this is, you guys. So that is such a good deal because, sorry, it's coming off the back here, but at like Walmart, they have nice ones at Walmart too, but they're like $2, like $3 and up, I believe. So for $1, this is like really good deal. In fact, I'm gonna take it off this thing because it's like kind of bugging me that it's like hanging off the packaging there. Let me show you how cool these are. So the other one I got was like gray, like more like earthy tones, but more like neutrals, I should say. But anyway, yeah, I'm not sure, but are cats colorblind? Now that I'm thinking about it, I think I think cats can only see certain colors. I believe that's true. I could totally be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think cats can only see certain colors. Maybe not. Maybe that's dogs I'm thinking of. Maybe. I don't know for sure. I'm gonna Google that and figure that out for myself because I kind of want to know for sure. I did pick up some more Scotties tissue boxes because we can never have enough of these around. So I used these, and then I always try to pick up the really pretty boxes. So this one says smile every day, and I like that blue and like green, lime green box. So picked up that. I did pick up, I can totally smell it, the Gain fabric dryer sheets. Okay, you guys, it smells so good. There's only 15, so I debated if I wanted to get the Swivitol. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Or no. There's another brand. It's like 55 of them were in there. And I was so debating, but I couldn't really smell with my mask on. So I ended up getting the Gain. And so yes, so I'm so excited because I love the smell of Gain. It smells so, so clean. So I just picked up, this is just one right now to have because I'm like down to like 2 dryer sheets, I think. So I needed some more. So I got those. Then, oh my gosh, I thought it was like, I had to do a double take, you guys. Okay, so since March, April, May, June, like 5 months ago, since this all started with the thing, I could not find wipes anywhere, disinfecting wipes anywhere. Guess what? I found it all changed today because DT has them. My DT had them. And it was a limit 2 per customer, so I would have bought more because you guys, I've been wanting these so bad. So they're 30 counts in each, so I have 60 wipes. I'm so excited. I just feel like using wipes are so much easier than using like spray cleaner and a paper towel for me, but that's what I've been doing because I had no more of these. So I am like back to, this will not last me long when I'm cleaning, but it's something, it's a start. So I am so happy. Like, I'm like, this is a good sign. They had plenty of bottles there. They had, maybe 20 more bottles. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go back and get more. So then I picked up these. I found these in the pet food aisle. You guys, how cool are these? So they came in white also, but I got the red and like the, I guess beige you would call this. For my cat food and dog food. So it's 2 cups, I guess is what it says. 2 cups. It says 2 cups on the inside. 2 cups. But yeah, just little like things to like get your dog food or your cat food out of the the container or whatever you have it in. So yeah, I picked like a red one up for my cat and like this color for my dog food. So yeah, I thought that was cool. I don't think I've ever seen these there at Dollar Tree before. Maybe I have, just didn't realize it, but anyway, that's a pretty good deal, guys. So I'm gonna run these through the dishwasher before I, use them for my pet food. Yeah, they're pet food scoops. Wash and rinse thoroughly with warm, soapy water before first use. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do so. Then I picked up some more bandages. All right. Also, this is a fun haul, guys. I got some really fun, like cute stuff. You'll see, I promise. I did buy, I have been wanting to paint my nails black. Like, I already have a black nail polish, but it's like getting kind of old, So, I went ahead and picked this one up. Let me try to go in closer with something to like back it up so you could see more of the color. I guess that would probably help maybe. I don't know if the camera's going to focus, but it's just a really pretty color, right? So I'm really excited about that. Yeah, I'm really excited about that. In fact, you know what? I'll just go ahead and try it on one of my fingers so you guys can see what it looks like. I like black nail polish. I like all nail polishes, but this is number 412, just so you know. And let's see if I can do the rest of this haul without getting fingernail polish on anything else. That'll be interesting. Let me go ahead and see how this looks. I really do like black nail polish, guys. I think it's like so classy looking. So I'm gonna let it dry for a second before I apply the second coat. But there it is. There it is. So it doesn't really look good unless it has 2 coats, So at least 2 coats. Let's see, that's getting better. Okay, so I'm going to close it up. It's very strong. Like the odor is very strong coming out of this bottle. But there is the black. So next time you see me, I'm probably going to have all black nail polish on unless I change it up. But yeah, so yeah, I really want to do like long fingernails, you guys. But I don't think I would. They're so beautiful, long fingernails. I like wish I had beautiful long fingernails, but I just the way I use my hands, like, I just don't think that they would stay on, and yeah, I don't think it would be a good match for me. But like, oh my gosh, I have like serious fingernail envy when I see some YouTubers have like beautiful nails. I'm like, oh, I wish I had nails. So this is the next best thing, is painting them, right? This is the next best thing. So, all right, moving on. I had to get this. This was in the Halloween section. You guys, my buffalo plaid print. Yes, yes, yes. This is so cute. I'm going to use this probably around the wreath of my front door, like use it as like a big bow, you know? And this is 9 yards of it. So it's going to be so cute, right? I love that. So I got that. Then a lot of it I noticed was a lot of repeats from last year. So I already bought that stuff, or you know what I mean? So I'm waiting for more stuff to roll out. Hopefully some new stuff. I did buy Scotch tape. What is this called? No, not Scotch tape. Packaging tape. Just because this is always running in handy, like, you know. So this is by Tool Bench, and it's just, you know, it's kind of boring, but it's like something I needed. So, and here's the nail polish again. It's starting to dry. So, all right. Then he wrapped it up in this for me. It is so cute, so elegant. You guys, look at how adorable this like gold brass looking pumpkin is. I love it. I think it's so elegant. Look at how pretty that is. I think it's so different. Like, I don't think they had this one last year. I don't. I really don't think so. I could be wrong, but isn't it so pretty? It's so pretty. So, like, I don't know. I just think it's so, it looks rich, you know? It looks really, really rich. It's pretty good size, you know? See the size of, yeah. So, anyway, yeah. So there's the bottom of it too. Did I just smear? Nope, I didn't smear it. Okay. So, all right. So there's that. I just picked up one because I buy a lot of my pumpkins, you guys, at the Goodwill, because I like to get the big pumpkins because I like to have like big pumpkins. But this is a really pretty one for like my front table in my house somewhere, you know. I could really smell these Gain fabric softener sheets like right next to me. They're so strong. Okay. Then this bag, got a couple fun bags. This one is like household necessities, and then I'll get into the rest of the fun bags. So I did get some of this. I really like this stuff, you guys. I really do. Normally I buy the one that's like in the bigger jar, and it's like peach color, I think. But they didn't have that. So I bought this one instead. This one is Ellie's Totally Awesome Power Oxygen Base Cleaner. I really like this. Like I said, it's just kind of, you know, good to have, in my opinion. And yeah, I like it a lot. It says mix with warm to hot tap water for laundry. It gives you all the directions. It says even on here, carpet cleaning machines and spot removal, grout and tile cleaning, stain removal, and for laundry. I just use it for laundry. So yeah, and I don't always use it. Like I just use it when like my clothing needs an extra like boost to like clean it, you know. Then I also picked up this for my fabric softener, the Swivitol. So that's a really good buy on this one. I have a piece of hair hanging off. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and smell it. I always buy the blue one usually. Yeah, it smells so nice. So got that. All right, is that it for that? Yeah. My glasses are in there. My glasses case, that's it. So that's like my own glass case. All right, this one is really fun. This one's really fun, guys. This one's fun. I promise, it's fun. Okay. The first thing I want to show you is I picked up these. These are so cute. I saw these at Hobby Lobby, you guys. Bigger version of these, but they're so cute, and they're like corn on the cobs, I guess. Corn? Like corns? Like, I'm not making sense. It's like corn. But I think it's so cute to put like in my front yard towards like October, you know, like so picked up several of them, and like I said, I'm pretty sure I've seen these at Hobby Lobby, but like a much bigger scale. But I was like, they're really cute to like put in my planter by my rose bushes. I thought that'd be really cute by my front door or by my front window. I also picked up I got a total of 5. So I'm going to give one to my mom. I got one for my mom if she wanted one. And they actually have like glitter in it, it looks like. It's like glitter. Yeah, it has like glitter or like in the paint or something. I'll go in closer so you can see. But isn't that pretty? I think they're pretty. And here is the last one. Here's the last one. And then I also picked up gum for my daughters. They like this extra gum. And I also got, this was the last one at the register, wet wipes. So I picked up this one, and there's 40 count in here. So I got those. And then I picked up 2 signs. Okay. So I love this one, you guys. It says Home Sweet Home. And I'm going to put this in by my front door. I have a planter, and I think it's so cute. They had another one like just like this, but it said like friends welcome or something like that. But I like the Home Sweet Home. I love that saying. So yeah, it's just a little like pick you put like anywhere you want in your yard or whatever. It also has a little hanger. I'm not sure quite how you would hang that, but yeah, I thought that was really, really cute. So I'll go in closer so you can see. I like the color scheme. Very fall colors. And then the back is just, looks like that. So Home Sweet Home. And this is actually glitter right here. It's really cute. It's really cute. I love decorating the outside of my house, making it very warm and inviting, you know. And then the last thing I got was this sign. It says Farm Fresh Pumpkins, 25 cents a pound. Isn't that so cute? So we got the red truck again. Okay, the red truck is back again for what, the 3rd season now? I think it's 3rd or 4th season. And I think it's super cute. I like that it has like, it says 25 cents a pound. I think that's cute. And I'll also put this like in my garden. Now, these are kind of not in the best shape. I looked through them, and a lot of them are missing glitter, but you know, it's I can't complain. It's only $1, you know? So here it is closer up. And a lot of times at the end of the season, I have to throw them away because they get wet from the rain and stuff like that. And then they, you know, they're no good. They turn into mush when they get wet, because it's like a particle board, or what is this made of? Press board. I don't know exactly what this is made of, but it is super cute, right? Super sweet. It reminds me of stuff I would see at Hobby Lobby. It totally reminds me of stuff I would see there. So yes, I love it. I really, really think it's adorable. I like the picks, guys, because I like to, like I said, decorate around. I have these gorgeous like English roses by my front window, and I just like to like put stuff in there and make it like special for different holidays. So yes, so you guys, that will be it for my Dollar Tree haul today. I spent $33, I think it was. The receipt is in one of these bags. Okay, I think it was like $31 or $33 for everything you see, because that includes tax, and then I had to buy the bags. So, but everything is like totally worth it, guys. So anyways, let me know what your thoughts are. And did you like this haul? I hope so. Like I said, our Dollar Tree is still bringing in the fall stuff. We don't have Christmas stuff. Yeah, I'm thinking back. We don't have Christmas stuff yet. I think there are some Christmas stuffs at other Dollar Trees, but not at ours yet. Again, we have 3 DTs in our town, so I need to go check out the other 2. I might just do that tomorrow. But yeah, I just love Dollar Tree so much. So, all right, guys. So thank you again so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, I'd love if you would subscribe. And you guys, thank you so, like really, thank you so much for clicking on this video and hanging out with me. It makes me feel so special that you guys, I mean, I feel so cared for, you know. I just really appreciate all your love and support, and truly honored to be here. So with that being said, I will see you guys back here tomorrow with my new haul, next haul. Yes. So, all right. So till next time, everybody, have a wonderful evening. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys. Bye.